Good afternoon, everyone. Today we gather to celebrate Father's Day and honor the fathers, grandfathers, father figures in our lives. Fathers play an essential role in shaping our lives and helping us become the best versions of ourselves. They are our protectors, our mentors, and our friends. I want to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to my father. Dad, thank you for always being there for me, for teaching me valuable life lessons, for showing me unconditional love. You have been my rock and my inspiration, and I cannot imagine where I would be without you. On this special day, let's also remember those fathers who are no longer with us. Their love and memories will always live on in our hearts, and we will cherish them forever. To all the fathers out there, I want to say thank you for everything that you do. Your love, guidance, and support make a significant difference in the lives of your children. You are appreciated, loved, and respected. Once again, happy Father's Day to all the fathers, grandfathers, and father figures out there. Enjoy your special day and know that you are loved and cherished. Thank you.